Hi, this is Matt and John here. We're doing a submission video for our prosthetic hands. These hands are used for people in need of them, as children in the surrounding communities. And for our hand design is a Raptor Reloaded, and the size is 126% scaled. Type of plastic we used was PLA, and our 3D printer was a Prussia MX3. We used thermoforming to shape out the wrist piece right here, and we used the hand. This is how the hand flexes, is by moving this where they move their wrist, and we can pick up some common objects such as this piece of wood. An eraser, and sunblock. We're doing this at Salem Central School District and the high school. We're making the video for our communications class, and the hand was made in our other class, DDP, Drawing and Design for Production.